If you're implementing AI into your business right now and you're not seeing any ROI, chances are high it's not because AI is bad. It's because you're building tools and automations instead of solving real business problems. And if you can't fix that, making real money with AI will be impossible. For the last couple of years, implementing AI felt like the golden ticket. Businesses were throwing money at automations, chatbots, and tools thinking they would revolutionize everything. But guess what? MIT just published a study showing that 95% of AI initiatives fail to deliver any kind of ROI. Zero ROI on investment. I knew this is going to happen because we have been at the exact same spot 2 years ago. When we just started off, we were trying to sell our AI automations and our chatbots to companies thinking they would pay us thousands for it. But guess what? They didn't. It felt like we were constantly chasing leads, trying to sell them automations and tools that they probably never ever needed. But here's the problem. Businesses nowadays have more AI tools at their fingertips than ever before. So why should they pay you thousands of dollars for implementing your own AI solutions to their business? And the reality is they won't, unless you give them the exact solution they currently need inside of their business to continue to grow. And that's when we realized that businesses don't care about AI. The only thing they care about is solving their biggest problems inside of their business. The moment we stopped selling AI solutions and started to focus on one huge pain point, our revenue exploded. Closing clients became easier than ever before, and in our case, this was turning cold leads into actual show-ups into sales calls of high-ticket companies. It's like Alex Hormozi says, if you're talking to everyone, you're talking to no one. And that's why most businesses out there trying to sell AI automations or building tools are broke right now. Because they are trying to build tools and automations instead of focusing on one niche problem and becoming the best at solving that specific problem for that business. But AI is not the solution. AI is only the tool to provide the solution for the biggest problem businesses out there are actually facing. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we went from struggling to find clients for our AI automation agency to now having more demand than we can ever deliver by solving real high-value business problems instead of just trying to sell AI automation services. And here's the biggest mistake businesses do when trying to implement or sell AI solutions. They think the technology itself is the selling point. Oh look, I've built this great chatbot and it is such a complex end-to-end workflow. Cool, but what problem is that chatbot actually solving? Businesses don't care about AI, they care about fixing what's broken and making more money. I usually approach it in this way. Can we help them to reduce the cost of something they have to do anyway? Or can we help them to decrease the time involvement necessary for something they also have to do anyway? Or number 3, which in my opinion is the biggest one, can we help this business make more money? If your solution in mind can help your or other businesses make any one of those 3 points or even more than one of that, you will make a lot of money using AI. After realizing this at the end of 2023, we flipped the script. We talked to businesses and asked the question, what's a painful and expensive problem that you are desperate to fix right now? And after working with different companies and building all kinds of AI automations, we recognized a pattern. Most high-ticket businesses out there are drowning in leads, but they have problems converting those into actual show-ups and sales calls. These businesses had armies of appointment setters trying to follow up with each lead manually, book them into appointments, qualify them, and then try to make them show up into sales calls, all manual. However, most of these businesses are also experiencing low conversion rates, big no-show rates, inconsistent follow-ups, and so many other problems. And that's where we saw our opening. Together with the first client who actually told us first about this problem, we built the AI sales system that completely replaced their whole appointment setting team. No more manual follow-ups, no more chasing the leads, and no more losing leads in the cracks. Just a fully automated system that guarantees show-ups in the calendars of that business. And suddenly, everything changed. We were not selling AI solutions anymore, we were solving real-world business problems. And because our solution directly made them more money, they had no problems paying high prices every single month for it. And this is the difference between selling AI solutions and being the expert at solving a very specific problem of a specific business. When you niche down and become the go-to person for a high-value specific business problem, leads start coming to you instead of you chasing those leads. This, in my opinion, is the only way you can scale an AI business or your own business using AI in 2025 and forward. So ask yourself, are you implementing AI only because everyone else is doing it? Are you trying to sell AI automations or AI tools instead of fixing actual problems? Because the people out there right now making real money are not the ones pushing chatbots. They are the ones fixing broken systems and getting real results for their clients or for their own business. Over the past 2 years, we've successfully built and implemented these AI sales systems into more than 100 high-ticket businesses, and we have achieved a positive ROI every single time, whether through lower cost, lower overhead, higher scalability, or directly making them more revenue and more money. And on top of it, we have generated more than $1 million in revenue by building and implementing these AI systems into other businesses. And currently we are at full capacity at our AI agency for more than 6 weeks already, and we have a 3-month-long waiting list to onboard new clients. And that's why we created the AI Sales Accelerator, where we teach business owners on how to build these AI sales systems yourself that guarantee a positive ROI. We have done it countless times over the past 24 months, and now we are sharing all our knowledge, our SOPs, our templates, the necessary tools, and access to ourselves for everyone who's interested in building these AI sales systems and AI appointment setters themselves. Be it for your own business or reselling this as a service to other businesses out there. If you want to join the accelerator, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to apply. And as always, if you learned something new today, please leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.